Hello? Can you hear me? Is this thing on? Hey! Hey! So this week, this week of school was everyone's first, it was everyone's first like all-nighter week, no sleep, no food, just grind, stress. I myself pulled an all-nighter this week.
At this point, this vlog's gonna be about Greg. Because you only see the back of your head.
You know what I think it is? Not that. I think it's slowly or moderate with a bit of a size.
My first one of the semester, so everyone start clapping. Yay! Got out of the way! And then I spent the rest of the week trying to catch up on all the work I didn't do because I was focusing on my studio project. So it was just genuinely like the most, I don't even know if I slept more than like 10 hours the entire week combined, and that is not an exaggeration. All that to say, I did not vlog much at all. So I thought today we would go through everything I wore during my very first all-nighter week. But I dressed up for you guys and everything today. I'm going as a Malibu Barbie soccer mom. If you know the Jessica Simpson sunglasses from Ross. Shout out Ross. So yeah, let's start the video. Our first outfit was not that much of a banger, but it was the all-nighter day. It is Tuesday because it was Labor Day weekend before, so I didn't get a spa Monday. Bottoms were white House black market skirt. Really nice skirt. One of my favorites, has like sequins on the pockets and it has like rhinestones on the pockets as well. I thrifted this at a local thrift store by my house for guess how much? $3. $3. The top is also thrifted. It's by the brand Baranda. It's just this really cool like pattern top. Now this skirt has this really cool flare off thing and it's like just kind of big on me though. It actually feels fine right now, but I know it rides up when I wear it and it's like very annoying, so I have to wear it with a belt. So let's accessorize. Purple belt. It's like really messed up. I really need to get more belts. It's just never something I think about, and then I'm always getting dressed and I'm like, this outfit feels so incomplete, and it's because it doesn't have a belt. And then I have 2 belts in my entire wardrobe, which is a lie, but that's how it feels. There's the belt. Ideally, this shirt would be like that, right? But that's not how it is. I don't exactly remember, but I'm pretty sure, like I'm 90% sure I mixed metals this day. I actually don't own any silver earrings. I have a silver necklace, and it goes really well with the shirt, but I don't have any silver earrings. So we went with gold. This has gold and silver in it, and then these are 2 silver bracelets. My light just went out. Great! This is our stack. Thrifted, this, cuff, thrifted. This is like some cool acrylic thing. It has the jewels coming out of it, but it was like $3, so it's fine. This is from my mom's closet I stole from my mother. Now shoes. Now what I actually wore for shoes were Adidas Sambas, but they were literally like digging into my Achilles and like impaling them. What I should have worn, and I don't know why I didn't wear these, because these are actually really comfortable shoes, Should have worn these tiny wedges. I know, guys, is it crazy and insane that I wear heels at school? Maybe a little bit, but to be honest with you, it doesn't hurt like at all. Only thing about these shoes that kind of hurt is this bit here, but if you wear flip-flops, it's the exact same sensation. It's just rug burn inside of your toes and you get used to it. Yeah, see, these are actually really cute. They're cute. They're from Macy's. I'm kind of skeptical about thrifting shoes sometimes, even though I totally do, because I've had a few pairs like fall apart on my feet. So there you go. There are the shoes. Top, skirt, belt, necklace, earrings, and I didn't have sunglasses. On that day, my hair was down. I typically like hair down. And voila! This is Tuesday's outfit, except for not the shoes. The shoes I did change just now. So imagine you're me, it's Tuesday, you have this outfit on, and you're like, okay, I'm going back to studio at midnight, from midnight to 5 a.m. That was the original plan. And we were like, oh, we're gonna get back to sleep. Like, we're gonna be able to sleep for 2 hours. We did not. And so you come back and you wanna wear something chill and relaxed, but also cute, duh. And I really don't like not wearing my clothes. So I was like, what's something I haven't worn in a while? Duh, Juicy Couture tracksuit. You guys already know what it is. You guys already know what it is. Juicy Couture black tracksuit that I found at Marshall's or Ross, one of those. It was like 20 bucks. Cause you know, they're like on the website, they're expensive for no reason. So hit up your local discount store and you got one. You got one for a deal. For a deal and a steal right there. I'll show you guys how I styled it. This is how we pulled up to laser cut, baby. Juicy Couture, Juicy Couture. Oh, hair was down actually. Hair should have been up, and I also didn't have any earrings in because they would hurt. What did you know about laser cutting for 7 hours? I was laser cutting for, more like 6 hours. We were laser cutting for like 6 hours straight. Was fitted though. I had the tracksuit on. I had my water bottle with me. So I was hitting that like soccer mom 2.0, like tumbler in hand, crashed out on the floor with cardboard sprawled all over the place, like glue all over me. I think this still has glue on it. And then I had my black flip-flops. Coveted. Now it's Wednesday. Zero sleep, surviving off of vending machine fig bars. I got back to my apartment at like 7:30 in the morning. And I told myself in the beginning of the semester that I would dress up for critiques, like for final critiques. Even though this project like wasn't that like huge of a deal or anything. It was like the first one. And I was like, you know, like I have all these cutie little like business casual-ish tops I was finding. And so like, I'm gonna wear one. Wednesday's fit was thrifted Calvin Klein jeans. They're flare, actually. Dark stone wash, fully cotton. Very nice, very sturdy. Was some of my favorites. And the top was this thrifted express collared tie shirt. This top isn't like the easiest thing to figure out how to wear. Like I would want it to tie a little tighter for me. It's really cool. Like I really do like it. It feels like something I wear last year. I do have belt, purple belt again, but you can't see it. I don't know. I was like not in love with this. It was like totally fine. I had like simple gold jewelry of choice here. These are all like Bella staple pieces. There it is. I got this in London at the market that's in Notting Hill. I don't remember the name of it though. This is from my mother's closet. This is also from London. At that same market I got the watch. And I got this in Metz, France. It's like a mother of pearl. These bracelets, they have never failed me. They're all like really comfortable and they're not like too bulky. Sometimes my bangles are like really, really bulky and I can't like really draw with them on. Stack. I also did have these three. The acrylic one again, a wood one. That was the jewelry stack. I think this is pretty good. It's not very bulky, but I was like, it's clean, it's professional, and hair was down. Again, hair could have been up here, but I was like really lazy. I'm not trying to have my hair get pulled out of my head. I had not slept. Shoes were these GBG Los Angeles. I got them at Ross. They were $10. They're so nice, and I love flip-flops that have something special on them. Here's the business core outfit. Post all-nighter, and I had new lip liner. I put my lip liner on, and I said, I'm out the house. And then I like came back to my apartment, and I like sat on my bed, was sleeping until 11:30, or sleeping until like 8:30, and I still had homework to do. I'm gonna wear this shirt more often, I think. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Thursday. Thursday is my Friday, because I don't have Friday classes. And also Thursdays are long days. I really don't like it when I like have a fire fit on and I'm wearing it for 3 hours and then I go home. Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm like, you know what, let me put a fit on. Like, let me look good. I also had a dinner with like family Thursday night, so I was like, I'll do my makeup too. Like, I'll do like makeup outfit, you know, like I didn't put all nighter last night, so like I feel good, like whatever. And I'm not gonna lie, we ate. Thursday's bottoms were this jean mini skirt. I bought this in high school. I bought this like junior year of high school, and I was like, what is this feeling? Super tiny pants. And they're my favorites. I wear them all the time on all occasions for all seasons. Like, these are my ride or dies. Thursday's top is a special one. It resides in the big girl closet over there. It's my 100% silk ideology top. I got it at the Georgetown flea market when I visited my best friend over that summer. And it's so nice. It has this beadwork on it. Ooh, all around it. 360. You see that? It's on the bottom too. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Fists clenchingly good. It just like, also silk just feels like you're not wearing anything. Like, it just feels like you're bathing in like baby butt soft clouds. Also guys, I thrifted everything. Like, this was like a $20 top. These are not unattainable items here. I will not tell you the stores I got them. Those are my stores, you stay out of them. It's just so flowy. I don't know, it just feels so, I don't know, like, I'm so fey, I'm so fairy, I'm so free in the wind. Oh, hair down, and then bam, and then bam. Now, I know I'm making it seem like the star of this show is the top. The star of the show is actually the jewelry. It was so crazy, I didn't even wear this necklace, and this necklace is like burned onto me. It's not. Our stack is as follows. Acrylic bangle from a thrift store, very important to me. Bone bangle from a thrift store that mostly sold furniture actually, but I also got a coat there. This beaded bracelet cuff situation, it's so cool. It's so early 2000s. It's so like 90210, 2008 version. Like, I'm obsessed with it. And then I had my Bella staples too. So here is our stack on the left hand. I also had the pearl bracelet with the tassels. And then on this hand, we have those three. This beautiful, gorgeous necklace that I thrifted at a very important thrift store to me that I'm not gonna tell anyone about. This is her. Literally crazy and insane. I saw this and I was like, oh, it has to be mine. It has to be mine. Oh, right. Belt and shoes. We did hit some low belt action, but don't worry, I did not do it over the top. Top goes over the belt. I'm just really into like the drop waist thing. And you really do get that when you put like a belt around your hips like that. But then it was just like actually becoming a logistical problem. That's the also thing about my outfits is like they logistically suck sometimes. Like, I don't know. And now shoes. I got these boots from Macy's. I ordered them with like the black sandals that I wore. They're really nice, very like buckly and like a lot going on them. I am a little scared they're gonna fall apart on my feet, but I'm gonna ride them out until they do. For the purposes of YouTube video, I will not be putting on socks. It's okay, I wore socks on Wednesday, or on Thursday. Yeah, it was my personal opinion this outfit ate down, like all the way down, like crazy. Oh my gosh, let me get my bag. Just like, hi, how are you? Yeah, and then it was Friday. And I was wearing this yesterday, it's currently Saturday. So I was free, I was in my car, I was side questing, I was 30 minutes away from campus feeling fantastic in my Old Navy maternity wear. Like, bro, I don't know what they put in maternity clothes, but you can't tell me it's not beautiful and gorgeous. It basically like comes out like this. It's like a big pillowcase and you could wear it like abnegation style if you wanted to. I'm not really abnegation girly though. I'm more of a dauntless person. That's like so ridiculous to say. Anyways, and then you can cinch it. Give yourself a little bit of an empire waist. You see that? And now I'm serving Bridgerton realness. Bridgerton realness with a side of soccer mom, okay? Jessica Simpson sunglasses. Can't even see my eyebrows, they're that big. Whoa, oh my gosh, and I've shaved the purse. I do have a miniature purse collection that I'm very passionate about. This is Mamacita number 2, actually. Coach bag Mamacita number 2. Gold, thrifted, pretty good condition, beautiful on the inside. Here's the inside. I have my cinnamon roll mini sew, my thing I got from TJ Maxx. And I was hitting the town, guys. I was driving around. Little white pony driving around. I don't know, I love this kind of core. Like, cause at my heart, the very deep, dark depths of me, I'm literally just a Monster High doll. I fear, actually, sometimes I'm a Barbie and sometimes I'm a Monster High doll. I think I do have a tiny bit of an emo streak, like a little bit, but then I'm like, pink and Coach bag. Oh my God, like happy. But yeah, those are my outfits. Thank you for tuning in this week post survival of the dreaded all-nighter. You know, you go away for the summer and you're like so free and rejoiced, and then you come back to school, you forget how much it can take out of you. It just really takes everything from you, doesn't it? But of course, I still had fun dressing up. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you want to see more of my closet, more of me, more of anything you could possibly ever want, just let me know in the comment section down below. I'll keep making vlogs, I'll keep making these videos, whatever you want. Like, I'm completely open. I love doing all sorts of stuff. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at bellaofmyfroggystuff. Make sure to follow my froggy stuff on Instagram and YouTube as well. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.